As a lifelong devotee of sitcoms hailing from the golden era of television, um, I must admit that the cancellation of that '90s show has left me feeling like a kid who just found out uh, there's no candy in the candy store. And after two delightful seasons filled with nostalgia and laughter, feels like a cruel twist of fate that Grandpa Red and his kin are being sent packing. Um, Additionally, it's been confirmed that that '90s show will not return for a third season, marking its cancellation after only 2 seasons. Eric Allen Kramer, who played Griff Hawkins, shared the news on Instagram, expressing gratitude to fans who watched and supported the show. His full message can be found below. I know you have been asking me when season 3 is coming, and I have tough news. Netflix will not be renewing. And I just want to take a minute to say thank you to all of the fans everywhere who supported and watched the show. You have come up to me in random parts of the world when I'm traveling and reached out to me through social media and just been so wonderful. I've loved every minute of getting to bring Grandpa Red to life for you all. If I've expressed it previously, yet it's essential to emphasize once more. This series was brimming with genuine warmth and boasted an exceptional ensemble of actors, writers, directors, producers, and crew that any performer would cherish working with Paris. Thank you for allowing Red Kitty, their grandkid, and the entire cast, including friends, neighbors, original That '70s Show members, and our fantastic guest stars to provide you with 2 seasons of entertainment. To quote Red Foreman, we won't act like fools. Instead, we will strive to sell this show because dedicated grandparents would make every effort to help these kids graduate from high school. That '90s show, best fans ever. After the premiere of season 2, part 3 of that '90s show on the streaming service in August, viewership was disappointing as it failed to gain significant success on the Netflix, only managing to appear once in the top 10 with approximately 1.8 million views, as reported by Deadline. Consequently, the series will now be offered for sale to other television platforms. That '90s show follows Leah Foreman, the teenage daughter of Eric Foreman and Donna, after the success of the sitcom That '70s Show aired between 1998 and 2005. A new show called focuses on Leah Foreman, the teenage daughter of Eric Foreman, Topher Grace, and Donna Pinciotti, both main characters from That '70s Show. The story unfolds as Leia spends her summer of 1995 with her grandparents, Red and Kitty, in Point Place, Wisconsin. This is around 15 years and a half after the original series ended on December 31st, 1979. In the series, Callie Havarda plays Leah Foreman, a character who is both intelligent and sarcastic, yearning for excitement. Accompanying her in the basement are other characters such as Ashley Ofterhide portraying Gwen, Mace Coronel as Jay, Maxwell A.C. Donovan as Nate, Rain Doy as Ozzy, and newcomer Sam Morelos as Nikki. These characters also hail from the '90s era. In addition to the main plot, the show brought back beloved characters such as Deborah Jo Rupp, portraying Kitty Foreman, and Kurtwood Smith playing Red Foreman. Um, Additionally, there were appearances by Topher Grace as Eric Foreman and Laura Prepon as Donna Penziotti, who are Leia's parents. Wilmer Valderrama was seen as Fez, while Mila Kunis reprised her role as Jackie Burkhart, and Ashton Kutcher made a return as Michael Kelso.